Hello and thank you for watching today's presentation video. In today's video, we're going to demonstrate our recommended weatherproof covers. These are universal weatherproof covers that can be used for all types of mobility scooters. We have 3 different size options. We're starting off in this video with the 50-inch option, and we also have a 60-inch as well as a 70-inch. Once you receive your weatherproof cover, go ahead and unpackage it, unfold it, and just drape it over the top of your mobility scooter. There are some straps on the front and on the back side so that you can tighten up the bottom part of the weather cover to keep it in place. If you're going to travel with your mobility scooter on a vehicle lift or in the back of a truck, we highly recommend these weatherproof covers. We have tested them and compared them against many different other brands, and these seem to hold up the longest. They really protect your scooter against rain, and they're very affordable. We have them for sale online, tax-free, shipping is free as well. And we're just showing you here a demonstration of what the 60-inch weatherproof cover looks like. If you need to measure the length of the mobility scooter before purchasing, that's the best way to ensure you're getting the right size weather cover. These weather covers can also double as a barbecue grill cover too when you're not using it to cover your scooter. They are in fact universal weather covers, not just made for mobility scooters, but basically anything that's the same size that you want to cover and protect against the weather. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at our parts department directly. If you have any questions about these mobility scooters, you can call our parts and accessories department at 877-321-3241. Again, that phone number is 877-321-3241. The model we're using here for the 60-inch grill cover happens to be a Victory 10.2 3-wheel mobility scooter. Last but not least, we want to show you the 70-inch weather cover, which is great for large mobility scooters like this S4 model by Aficam, known as the AFIS scooter. This powerful mobility scooter has 16-inch tires, a captain seat, and we even left the mirrors on just to show you that you can cover the entire mobility scooter with the mirrors on, and the seat doesn't even need to be folded down when you get the 70-inch weatherproof cover option. Again, these weather covers do need a bungee cord or some sort of rope if you're going to travel with the scooter covered on a vehicle lift or in the back of a pickup truck on the bed of the pickup truck, because they can fly off if you're traveling at high speeds, and it's highly recommended that you use additional bungee cords or rope if you are going to travel with your mobility scooter at high rates of speed, open in the back of a truck or on a vehicle lift like a platform lift. If you have any questions about any of the products that were shown here, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Again, we do offer these tax-free, shipping is free, only at mobilitydirect.com. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day.